Hi, Peter from Mechanics, mate. What we've got here today is our LS truck kit. Alright, it's our entry level in our enthusiast range. So what you have is you have your hand pump and cylinder, alright, with standard hydraulic connectors. We have here our pitman arm attachment, and we also have our 5 to 12 ton adapter. So it will also work with our 10 ton cylinder here. That's enough to do pretty much every pitman arm that we've come across so far. Alright, we'll also can whack a 25 ton cylinder on if we really need to. In that instance, you might need to think about whether you scrap it or not. Alright, we have our slotted attachment in here, just the universal slotted. We also have the LS truck and van, there for the deep dish harmonic balances. Alright, we highly recommend if you're in the North American area that you consider getting this if you are playing with LS. Alright, LS1, not so needed, but we throw it as part of the kit. If you don't want to delete it, we'll then give you credit for whatever you need there. Alright, we also have our 2 power steering pulley attachments, 2 different sizes. There's a small and a large. If you're always playing with the small, then we'll get you the small. If you're playing with the large, we'll supply you the large. But if anything like me, whichever one you have, you'll need the other one at some point in time. So we supply them both. Piston ends for there, piston ends for install, and we've got our small and our large 3-jaw attachments in here. Our Sprocket Remover for LS and small block Chevy, and also anything else with a 22 pitch sprocket or crank gear and 3/8 chain, it'll take off. And we also have installation sleeves. The short one is for the pump sprocket with a pump drive on there, or the crank sprocket with a pump drive, and the long one is if it doesn't have the pump drive on there. These will also work on LS. We've allowed enough length there for the longer crank on the LS7. Alright, and we also have installation shafts for the harmonic balancer and sprocket, as well as for the power steering pulleys. Alright, and again, any point you like, you can always upgrade the kit, when you can change. You can do it in steps, you can do it all in one go. Again, standard hydraulic fittings. If you want to, you can always go and upgrade with these same style hydraulic fittings. What that does is it allows you then to introduce a 5-ton cylinder, and the strokes can vary from 1 to 9 inches in 2-inch increments. So that's 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9-inch strokes. We have a 3-inch stroke in here, which we think is a really nice combination. We highly recommend this in your hydraulics, because once you're here, you pretty much aren't going to be wanting for anything else if you're playing with light vehicles. And it's just a really nice combination, adds to the kit over here if you want to upgrade. Again, if you don't need to, you're not the only occasional user, here it is. We can remove and delete items in here as required. Alright, but this is a LS recommended kit. That's Peter from Mechanics, mate. Thank you.